Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a deep look at the 2026 Harley-Davidson Nightster, a modern cruiser that combines Harley's iconic heritage with cutting-edge technology and aggressive styling. With improved performance and comfort, the 2026 Nightster is built for riders who crave both tradition and innovation. Bold and aggressive design. The 2026 Nightster features a revamped design with sharper lines, a lowered stance, and a minimalist yet muscular profile. The bike introduces new LED lighting, a redesigned fuel tank, and updated fenders, all emphasizing a bold and street-ready appearance. Fresh color options and dark finishes enhance its modern cruiser vibe while maintaining Harley's classic DNA. Engine and performance. Powered by the latest Revolution Max 975T liquid-cooled V-twin engine, the 2026 Nightster delivers strong low-end torque and impressive acceleration. Harley has fine-tuned the powertrain for smoother throttle response and better fuel efficiency, making it perfect for city rides and open highways alike. Advanced technology. For 2026, Harley-Davidson has equipped the Nightster with a fully digital TFT display that integrates smartphone connectivity for navigation, music, and ride stats. Multiple riding modes and advanced traction control provide riders with customizable performance for different road conditions. Comfort and handling. The bike features improved suspension components and a lighter chassis, offering enhanced maneuverability and ride comfort. The updated seat design ensures long-distance comfort, while refined ergonomics make it accessible to a wider range of riders without sacrificing its aggressive stance. Conclusion. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Nightster is a true evolution of Harley's cruiser lineup. With its striking design, powerful V-twin engine, advanced electronics, and improved handling, it delivers a modern riding experience while staying true to the spirit of Harley-Davidson.